Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you know about this, but you should know. If you don't know, I'm going to tell you about it. I'm going to show you about it. Sitting in the car has always been everything to me, but now I'm doing it right. This is the only way to successfully make it work. You have to put it on from the bottom, okay? Of course, I have a wheel cover on mine, but it still works. This video is not sponsored. This is everything to me. I'm able to edit videos, chill out, and just do some work, you know, and just brainstorm in my vehicle. I'm going to sanitize because your girl is about to eat. And it was perfect. And you guys, this is the best $10 I've ever spent. You can go ahead and go to Amazon or whatever website you want to go to find you one. But I am in love. And I wanted to share. Thanks for watching. I know. You're welcome.